Hey guys, I am back today with Zoya's holiday collection. It feels like I just swatched the fall collection, but we are back with the holiday collection. Alright, so let's take a look here. This is Astrid, and this is a gorgeous gold. Look at all that sparkly shiny in there. I think this might be a topper, I'm not sure. We will find out when we swatch. Then we have Lee, and this is a nice creamy kind of neutral. It's like a creamy beige. And then we have another neutral. Carson, this is more of a kind of a brown neutral. And here those two are together, so you can kind of get a feel for one is definitely lighter than the other. Alright, next we have Terran, and this is sort of a beautiful berry. It looks like it's a berry red duochrome. I want, you know, some polishes look like a duochrome in the bottle, but they're not on, so we'll see. But man, I hope that is, because that's beautiful. Alright, next we have Maxine, and this is sort of a raspberry cream. I've noticed that all of Zoya's creams that I've tried, at least in the last year, probably 2 years, have been one coat creams, so I'm hoping these are the same. Then we have Allison, and this is a little bit more of a fuchsia cream. Alright, Next up is Cookie, and this is one of two pixie dusts in this collection. And this is a gorgeous sort of a grape color here. Grape kind of purple. Beautiful. Can't wait to try that out. Next we have Kiara, and this is a grapish kind of cream. I personally think these two actually would go, if you wanted to do kind of like quick and dirty purple nail art, I think you could do a quick little skittle with these two and do, that would be really, really cool. Next is Danica, and this is definitely my favorite cream in the collection. I am a San Jose Sharks fan, which means by default I am a blue leaning teal fan, and oh my gosh, this makes me so happy. And what makes me maybe even happier is that the second pixie in the collection is also kind of a blue leaning teal. It's a little bit darker, it's a little bit different, and I want to be careful. I want to get this for you because there is sort of a kind of a purple shimmer in this that I'm hoping actually shows up on the nail because it's almost like a duochrome. Alright, then the last cream in the collection is Kateri, and this is a beautiful brown, which this whole collection has like it's like a transitional feel to me between fall and winter, so it doesn't hit all of the same notes that a typical holiday collection does. It goes a little bit fall, and I think that's really cool. Alright, and now the thing I am most excited about in this collection here is Leopard Spots, which is the Leopard Spots topper. So the idea here is that you put this over the pixies, which have that bit of texture, and I guess it pulls around the texture and creates a leopard spot effect. I'm really excited to see that. I couldn't wait to try it out, so I tried it out over just some regular smooth polish that I have on. And here's what happens if you just do it over regular smooth polish. It's a crackle, which is always a cool effect. I love crackles, I really do. So I'm happy to have, you know, I'm always happy to have a crackle, but I'm really, really super excited to see what happens to this over the pixies. Alright, so let me do a little scan here for you of all of the different colors that we have in this collection, and then I'm gonna get busy getting some swatches for you so you can see what they look like on the nail. Alright, I will link down below, and thank you for watching.